So today I'm going to South Mountain. I'm going to hike there with my friends, and it's also called Fat Man's Pass, and I'll show you why it's called that.
And then go back down. So I'm gonna go stand over here and point out the map, make sure everybody knows where you're going. And everybody has my number if you need to call me if you have any questions. So thank you.
'Cause we just need to live in harmony. Don't need to be in love, 'cause you know we haven't recently. Just wanna pretend everything is fine and maybe it'll be not just in the dreams. Break through.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you tired?
Kind of.
I think we should run away. Act like everything's okay. Make good Christmas.
Hi! Hi!
What's going on right now? Hey!
Break through.
Hi! Where did you get the hat from?
From my home?
No, it's from Disneyland. Show me your hat. It's really cool.
And it's so insane.
We started 2 hours ago at 8 o'clock. Actually, we started hiking at 9, and it's 1 hour since we hiked. It's pretty good for beginners. I mean, I hiked only at Grand Canyon and not so much over there. It wasn't really a hike, but yeah. So this is not bad for beginners who want to hike here, and stay hydrated. Oh, okay. Okay.
This is the tunnel.
That is?
Yeah, this is the natural tunnel.
इसको tunnel बुलाते हैं?
I think.
Okay. This is the tunnel that's here.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, the natural formation and stuff.
She's making a video.
Yeah, I am taking a video.
Like we've got nothing to lose. Stranger.
God save me.
So we were lost. Actually, it's a loop. So we started in one direction. We couldn't find people behind us. So we were walking, and then we saw people coming in the opposite direction. And they were like, we are going forward. And we were like, we were going forward. Anyway, it's just a loop. So we'll end up meeting at the same place. So yeah. It's called the Fat Man's Pass.
There you go, girl.
You and I together like we're supposed to be. 'Cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view.
post this video.
You too.
You too.
I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July underneath the fireworks sky? And I said everything is perfect 'cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, 'cause you need me and I need you.
How do you like it here?
That's just my point of view.
Okay, bye.
That's just my point of view. Yeah. This is the forever that's supposed to be. Everything is perfect when you're holding me, 'cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view.
Hey, so that was Mormon's Trail, and it's called the Fat Man's Pass because of the narrow path between the big boulders, and that's the only way you can get through the hike. So I had fun, I enjoyed hiking it, and I hope you liked the video too. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, let me know down below. Bye.
All of me. Show me how far you can stretch out your arms. We're taking off now.
What a pose!
How romantic.
Tearing up the sky, we're chasing the horizon.
Drink water with Panchi. Water break.
Can't get more labeled.